All done. You can feel it. How about the middle bed here? Better. Both side area and show around the upper bed. Yeah? Okay. Now can you sit up on the bed side and face the wall? And face that side. Next is good.
You come back.
Yeah, it's for the upper bed and in the middle bed. Yeah, okay. Now can you sit a little bit back? Yeah, all good. Now your fingers and just relax. Relax. Okay, now we just lie down slowly. Yeah. Just relax. Can you hear the sound? Oh, good. All done. You can feel it. How about the middle bed here? Better.